Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to replace the sky in your videos using Capcut. So let's dive right in. First, open up Capcut and import the video clips you want to work with. Place them on the timeline, making sure the clip containing the sky you want to replace is positioned beneath the clip you want to replace it with. Ensure their durations are equal. Next, click on the video clip containing the sky you wish to replace, and then drag it to the desired position, aligning it seamlessly with the scene. Within the video section, locate and click on Mask and select Split. This will create a mask on the video clip. Then adjust the split to the max size of the video clip like this. Increase the feathering to 100 by either dragging the circle with an arrow on the screen or using the feather slider. This will help blend the replacement sky more smoothly with the original clip. Now duplicate the video clip below and place the duplicated clip on top of the sky video clip. Select the duplicated clip, go to the mask option and choose Split. Rotate it to -180 degrees. Adjust the position accordingly to ensure the person in the video is not covered by the new sky. Increase the feathering of the duplicated clip to 100 to maintain a seamless and natural blend between the person and the new sky. And there you have it. Your video now has a replaced sky, giving it a whole new perspective and ambiance. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.